The Ulefone X16 Pro is a new 5G rugged phone from Ulefone. It also has a standard model called the X16. Now, these devices are expected to officially launch in July for affordable prices, although there's no official release date or prices yet. But anyways, in this video, we'll be looking into the top features of the Ulefone X16 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the X16 Pro is a really nice looking rugged phone. It is 17.95mm thick and it weighs 394 grams. At the back of the phone is a ginormous camera module that houses triple cameras, dual flash, and 2 IR lights, indicating that the device features a night vision camera. The phone has a 6.56-inch HD Plus 120Hz display with a 910 nits max brightness. Running the phone is the latest Android 15. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 octa-core processor paired with the ARM Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of memory, the device features an 8GB base RAM and it supports 8GB VRAM, and it has 256GB UFS 2.2 storage that can be expanded up to 2TB using a microSD card. Now in the camera department, as I mentioned earlier, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP main sensor, a 25MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens. The main camera can record up to 2K videos at 30fps, and on the front is a 16MP selfie camera for selfies and video calls. Now the X16 Pro is backed by a massive 10,360 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. It also supports 5 watts reverse wire charging, but unfortunately it doesn't support wireless charging, which is expected because, come on, it's a budget phone. Now I mentioned earlier that the device features dual flash at the back, like 2 flashlights. Now one of the flash is a camping light with a max brightness of about 133 lumens. Now this device also has on its left hand side one key lighting button that you can use to power on and off this flashlight. Now that one key button also acts as a customizable key which you could use for other purposes as well. Now other features of this device includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock support, air blaster that you can use to control your TV and other appliances in your home. It supports glove mode, which means that you can actually operate this device while wearing gloves. It also has NFC, OTG, underwater camera support, which means you can actually record videos and take photos underwater using the device. And the device has Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and other navigation systems, a 3-card slot, and so much more. So these are the top features of the X16 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, the device is not available yet, but it is expected to launch in July for about $250. As you can see, it's going to be very, very cheap. I'm not surprised though, because come on, this is a rugged phone from Ulefone, so yeah, it's expected to be very affordable. Anyway, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.